In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use call screening on iOS 26. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the section of screen unknown callers. If it's set to never, call screening is turned off. To enable this feature, select Ask reason for calling. This setting forces unknown callers to explain who they are and why they are calling before your phone even rings. When someone with an unsaved number calls you, your iPhone will show screening the call. The device will ask the caller to state their name and reason for calling. If the call is spam or a robocall, the system will detect it instantly and your phone will stay silent. If it's a real person, you'll see a live transcription such as, "Hi, this is something, I'm confirming your appointment this afternoon." From there, you can tap to answer, ignore, or deny the call, all based on the information provided. Your iPhone handles the screening automatically, so you only deal with real important calls. And that's how you use call screening on iOS 26. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.